Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for refinancing with SoFi, loan optimization guide step by step clearly. Start by researching SoFi's refinancing options to understand what they offer. Visit SoFi's official website to gather information on their loan products. Determine what type of loan you want to refinance, such as student loans, personal loans, or mortgages. Assess your current financial situation to make informed decisions about refinancing. Check your credit score, as it can significantly impact your loan terms and interest rates. Gather necessary documentation, including income verification, existing loan details, and personal identification. Navigate to the refinancing section on SoFi's website, where you can find the application portal. Begin the online application process by entering your personal information. Input details about your existing loan, including the lender's name and balance. Provide information regarding your income and employment to support your financial profile. Review the interest rates and loan terms offered by SoFi during the application process. Select the loan term that aligns with your financial goals and monthly payment preferences. Submit your application and any required documents for review. Monitor your email for updates on your application status from SoFi. Once approved, review the final terms and conditions of your new loan. Accept the loan, and allow SoFi to handle the payoff of your existing loan. Stay organized and keep records of your refinancing process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.